Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is introduction of sphere. Students, in this lecture we will learn about sphere shape. There are 4 different shapes of sphere. Let me explain what is a sphere. A sphere is a round geometrical object in 3-dimensional space that resembles the shape of a round ball. The first one is yarn. What is this? Yarn. The next one is football. The third one is balloon. And the last one is orange. Playgroup class, again read with me. What is this? Yarn. What is this? Football. What is this? Balloon. And what is this? Orange.